Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Book of Meme X token. Name of the token is BOMEX, and that is also the ticker symbol. Now this token is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting tomorrow on a very big central exchange, and we're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So this is also known as the AI Book of Meme token. But name of the token, if you're looking on their BSC scan, is BOMEX. And that's also the ticker symbol. So this is a BEP20 token on the Binance Smart Chain. And it was just announced that this token will be getting a brand new central exchange listing starting tomorrow, June 21st at 15 hours UTC time. This token will be listed on MEXC Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an MEXC Global account, I do have an MEXC Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that MEXC Global referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search BOMEX, and then simply just buy the token. Now, there's also a Kickstarter event going on today, June 20th, for this token, where you can vote with MX tokens, and you could potentially win some airdrops. And they have a reward pool available of 50,000 USDT for this Kickstarter event. So go check this out. Now, their Twitter, I'm going to put up right in the corner of the screen here, as usual, at AI_BOME. It says, your gateway to a vibrant digital economy, redefining digital transactions with seamless efficiency and innovation. They have 19,200 Twitter followers, 80 posts, blue verified checkmark, and in their recent tweets, you will see them talking about their brand new listing announcement. So BEP20 token, 18 decimal places on this token. It is not even available on PancakeSwap yet. Tomorrow is going to be their brand new listing date. Now they have a total supply of a lot of tokens. That's a million, billion, trillion, quadrillion. It looks like 68 quintillion, 966 quadrillion, and then sixes all the way across the board. So yeah, very large supply of this token here. They also have a Telegram group you could join at AIBOMEAI. 8,728 members. We have 901 of them are online right now. That's a great place to join the discussion regarding this project. If you want to talk to other community members, learn more about the project, that would be a great place to do so. So also around the same time as this token's being listed, there's another one called the Wild Pepe token on MEXC Global being listed the same day. So check that token out as well. Check out that video I'm making today on that token. So AI Book of Meme is an artist meme ecosystem project on the Binance Smart Chain network, whose core philosophy is to provide an innovative, fair, and dynamic display of and revenue platform for artists and creators around the world. AI BOME takes full advantage of blockchain technology to build a decentralized, transparent, and efficient display for artists. Here, artists can freely publish their works, whether paintings, sculptures, or other forms of creation, and can be fully displayed and recognized at the same time. Through smart contracts, AI Book of Meme ensures that the rights of creators to their works are protected, and every transaction and circulation of works can bring corresponding benefits to creators. What's more, AI Book of Meme is not content to just operate within the Binance Smart Chain network. As the project continues to grow, it will expand its economic model beyond the Binance Smart Chain network to provide innovative revenue models to more users. This means that both artists and ordinary users, as long as they are talented and creative, can find their own place in the AI Book of Meme ecosystem and realize their value. AI Book of Meme is not just a showcase, but a vibrant and creative community. Here, artists can communicate with each other, learn and progress together, and at the same time, through the power of community, AI Book of Meme is also able to provide artists with more resources and opportunities to help them better develop their careers. So the tokenomics here, it says the core idea of AI Book of Meme: create a fair, transparent, and sustainable income stream for artists and creators through blockchain technology and DeFi mechanisms by linking works of art on a chain and using smart contracts to manage them. AI Book of Meme is committed to breaking down the barriers of traditional art market so that more people can participate and benefit from it. So within the ecosystem, AI Book of Meme Ecology is a comprehensive platform dedicated to providing an innovative environment for artists to transform their work into NFTs and show them for sale. In AI Book of Meme's ecosystem, artists are able to take full advantage of blockchain technology to transform their creations into unique digital assets that can then be promoted and sold through the platform. First, the AI Book of Meme ecosystem ensures that authenticity and uniqueness of the artist's work through smart contracts and blockchain technology. This means that each NFT piece is unique with an independent digital identity and proof of ownership. By doing so, artists can protect their copyright and prevent malicious copying of theft of their work. Secondly, AI Book of Meme Ecology provides a broad platform for artists to display. Artists can display their NFT works on the platform and attract the attention of potential buyers in various ways. The platform supports a variety of forms of digital art display, including images, audio, video, etc., providing artists with rich means of expression. In terms of sales, AI Book of Meme ecosystem offers a variety of flexible trading methods. Artists can choose to sell the NFTs at a fixed price, or they can let the market determine the value of the work through auction. In addition, the platform supports multiple cryptocurrency payments, providing a convenient transaction experience for buyers and sellers. So they have the farm. AI BOME plans to introduce a pledge mechanism that will enable users holding AI Book of Meme tokens to earn revenue through pledging. This will give them more ways to participate in the project and inject more vitality into the entire ecosystem. So they are committed to building an innovative ecosystem that integrates art, technology, and finance. So go check out this project here, being listed on MEXC Global starting tomorrow. If you don't have a MEXC Global account, be sure to check out all the referral codes down there. Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. What do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.